Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can change the brightness on the display on your Bose Wave music system. I'm going to show you how to change the daytime setting, but also the dark setting as well. If you're using this in your bedroom on your bedside table and it's too bright, it's keeping you awake, you can actually lower down the darker setting as well. So what we need to do is go into the menu. To do that, we need to hold down the alarm time button. You see on the remote control here, it says menu under here. So just hold that down for a few seconds until it brings up this setup menu here. To navigate the menu, we need to do the left and right here, and we're going to enter in by doing time here. So just move left and right until we get to bright. So there you go. See bright here, high, and it's 12. It goes all the way up. You can see it's getting bright now. It goes all the way to 15, and it goes all the way down to 8. So you've got a choice between 8 and 15. So you can have that nice and bright there at 15. Now let's say if you want to adjust the low setting because it's too bright, or maybe it's not bright enough. Let's go to the next one where it says low, and you can barely see that. So that will go between, I believe it's 1 and 8. Yes, that's 8, and it goes all the way down to 1. I can't actually see. It's that dim that I can't actually see it when it's on 1. So for me in this light now, it only becomes visible when I'm on 4. But clearly at night time, you're going to see a lot more there. So there you go. Let's put it to 8, and hopefully you can see that just about there. And that's it. And then all we have to do is hold down the menu button, and we will come out of that menu. And you can see now that that is much brighter than it was when we started. Thanks for watching.